Hello and welcome back to Fusion 360 beginners exercises. Today let's just try out to make this simple model, right, which really help for the beginners. So let's start the video. I have the drawing given. First let's just try out to make the base. The dimension is 55 by 50 and the thickness is 10. Make a new, click on sketch, choose the horizontal plane, draw a rectangle by 50, press tab and choose the other dimension 55. Okay, now extrude and make it 10. I will add this another extrusion 25 and the extrusion is 25. Sketch this top surface, corner rectangle, and this time add a square. This is 25, this is 25. Right click, press pull, choose the region and set 25. It is done. Next, you want to add this smaller extrusion. For that I will choose this face, sketch, add a rectangle like this, and if you look at the dimensions, so from the bottom it is 15 and the width is 25 minus 5, which is 20. From here till here this is 15 and this is 20. Okay, click on this region, press pull, and this time keep this one to object and choose this face. Okay, if you want to apply some appearance, choose this metallic paint and okay, now you have done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Let's boom.